Today we're taking a look at the Wyze robot vacuum. This is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up. Okay, here's the unit itself. It has a power button, a home button, and the LiDar sensor right on top. This is the Wyze robot vacuum and it has the charging port pieces right on the back. Okay, and then on the front of this robot vacuum, it has the 3D sensor camera technology. Okay, underneath the Wyze robot vacuum, you have the large wheels right here that retract. You have the vacuum part right here, and then this is the brush attachment piece that goes up here to get to the edge of the walls, and then you have a little wheel here that spins about, and this is the bottom part of the robot vacuum. The kit comes included with an extra HEPA filter, and then this is how you get inside of the robot to clean it. It comes with a cleaning tool right here, and then this is the unit here that has all of the stuff from your floor. It easily comes out, and then it's a dustbin, and this is where you replace the HEPA filter right here. And finally, this is the unit to charge the robot vacuum, and then this plugs into the back right here. It attaches, and then it starts charging with the two connectors on the back of the robotic vacuum from Wyze.